Hello everyone, welcome to Added Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for 30th Jan, Monday. Sorry, this video is coming out a little late. I was busy with some of the weekend classes that we have. We'll just straight away get into the levels. This is the Banknifty 15 minutes chart, and this is how we have closed after whatever news we have got regarding the Adani and all that. So this is how we have closed on the Wednesday and Friday. Now, if you can closely observe, there is some sort of a nice pattern that is being formed here. Now, because of this, I'm kind of expecting this is like a falling wedge type of a pattern, but not a perfect one. It's kind of building up that way. So I'm kind of expecting a small bounce, and until where we can get the bounce is 40,098 and probably come closer to this gap around 41,500 is what I'm expecting. And as of now, SGX Nifty showing a small gap up. Right, so if that gap up sustains tomorrow, there could be some move on the upside. If the fall is going to continue, then definitely without a doubt we'll have to, if today's low breaks, that is 40,139, the fall could continue. We could see a strong support at about this level. If we do not bounce from here in the morning, and if we get a dip, this is the level we'll have to watch. There can be a small bounce from here, that is around 49,900 or 40,000, close to 40,000. Okay, and even if that breaks, the next support is this gap around 39,100, but that is too much of a downside. Maybe we will get a bounce, or there is a good chance we could even remain sideways. And the next trigger for the budget, the next trigger for the market is the budget, right? So until budget, we could have some volatility and remain in a sideways move. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But we have our levels clear for trading. That is, if we break out of this tomorrow, if we get a gap up and sustain above this level, that is 40,000, around 40,500, we can see a level of 41,090 and this gap area of 41,400. That is for Bank Nifty on the upside. On the downside, there is a strong support here around 39,870. In case we come down, there's a good chance we could even bounce from here. Now, if you look at the same Nifty levels for tomorrow, again in Nifty, the kind of the intraday bounce kind of kicked in on Friday itself. If we continue to trade above this level, 17,667, we could definitely see this level of even the small move can be a good intraday target. That is about 100 points, very good. And in case we go further down, the next support is this 17,430 or 17,320. There's a gap over here, which if we come down, we might get, it might get filled. So these are the levels that we will be using in our trading tomorrow along with the CPR levels. Let's see how it goes. As of now, the bias is definitely the bias. The market trend is on the downside, but we are kind of extremely oversold in all time frames. So kind of expecting a bounce, and these are the levels marked on the upside. Thank you.